we're working on the Jeep XJ again. This time we're going to work on the rear end, not the front end. Alright. As you can see, this rubber plug is leaking on this Chrysler 8 1/4 rear end on the Jeep Cherokee XJ. We have a part that will fix it. What you're going to need first is this differential plug from Dorman. Thank goodness for Dorman, because they have a lot of parts for this old thing. So the part you're going to need is 65293. It says for Chrysler. That's the Jeep. During this point in time, they were made by Chrysler, and they do have a Chrysler 8 1/4 inch rear end. Some of these came with a Dana 35, which this is not the plug. Make sure you have a Chrysler 8 1/4 rear end before you use this. You might need screwdrivers to pry the plug out, maybe this to plug, pry it out, and maybe one of these little pick things. Not sure though. Alright, let's see if we can get it out. It's coming. It came out all right. I think it was overfilled. Look, that's probably why it was leaking. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What you should do is fill it up to the edge right here. I actually changed this not long ago, but I think it was jacked up. Let me get my oil pan. Alright, I've got a pan. I'll have to get some oil cleaner to do that. Let's see. Yep, it was over full. As you can see, this is very good. That gear oil is pretty much brand new. I put it in a few months ago and changed it out. Cleaned everything in there, but I guess I overfilled it. So we'll let that drain until it levels out. While we are under here and that's draining, we'll compare. This is the new Dorman. As you can see, it's got all the Dorman insignia stuff on it. And it does say China on it. This one is the original one, and I guess that's the original part number. I'm not sure. But if I squeeze this one, it's very hard. It could be just from age. This one is very soft. So I'm hoping this Chinese-made one will last as long. I doubt it, but we'll see. Still draining a little bit, but I think that's close enough. We're going to try to put the new one in. So, you want to clean this off real good. Clean the hole real good there. Let's see here. You do want a little lubrication on it when you pop it in. It's still draining. Okay, it slowed down quite a bit, so we're going to pop the new one in. Take it. It should just pop on in. Yeah, that was easy. So, there you go. Hope it don't leak. I'm going to save the old one just in case. And don't forget to clean up your mess. Aloha.